best hire this year is rotting in a Slack DM right now. Somebody on your team dropped a resume in #referrals, tagged nobody, and it's been 3 weeks. If you're a founder or ops lead watching recruiters burn hours on cold LinkedIn sourcing, while referrals, which convert 4 to 5 times better, die in a channel nobody owns, this one's for you. I'll show you the exact N8N agent that grabs every Slack referral, dedupes it, enriches it, scores it against the job, contacts the candidate, and thanks the referrer in 47 seconds. Most tutorials build cold sourcing bots that get you banned. I build referral engines for clients weekly. Let's open the canvas. Here's the pain, and I want you to nod if this is you. You got a #referrals channel in Slack, or #hiring, or a DM thread with your co-founder that's basically a graveyard of resumes people sent in good faith. Someone writes, "Hey, my friend Sarah is looking. She was senior at Stripe. Here's her resume." And then what happens? Nothing. Because your recruiter is buried in LinkedIn Recruiter sending cold in-mails to strangers with a 9% reply rate, while Sarah, a warm intro, 4 to 5 times more likely to convert, twice as likely to stay 2 years, is scrolling other job posts because nobody emailed her back for 11 days. That is the problem. And it's not a people problem. It's a routing problem. Referrals arrive in a channel, not a system. Your ATS doesn't listen to Slack. Your recruiter doesn't live in Slack. So the highest quality candidate source in your entire pipeline has no owner. Now, why hasn't anyone fixed this? Because every big platform is selling you the wrong thing. They're selling AI sourcing agents that scrape LinkedIn, write cold outreach, and get your domain flagged. That's the opposite of what you need. You already have warm candidates. You're just losing them in DMs. So let me show you what I built for a client last month, and what you can copy in about 20 minutes if you already run N8N. Step 1, the trigger. In N8N, you drop a Slack trigger node listening to the Events API on your referrals channel. Every new message fires the workflow. You'll need a small Slack app with the channel's history and files read scopes. I put the manifest on the site so you don't have to hand build it. When someone posts, you get the message text, the user ID of the referrer, and any file attachments, usually a PDF resume. Step 2. Parse. This is where most people overcomplicate it. You do not need a fancy resume parcel. Pass the message text and the PDF content to a single Claude or GPT node with a strict JSON schema. Ask for candidate name, current company, current role they're being referred for, years of experience, and any links mentioned. One node, one prompt, structured output. Step 3. Dedupe. Airtable node or your ATS via API. Search by email and by LinkedIn URL. If they already exist, you branch to a soft path. DM the referrer. "Hey, thanks. Sarah's already in our pipeline for the back-end role. We'll keep you posted." That single message alone will save your recruiter 30 minutes of awkward back and forth per week. Step 4. Enrichment. If it's a new candidate, hit an enrichment. API Apollo, Clearbit, whatever you use, with the name and company. Pull their LinkedIn, current title, tenure, location. Now you have a full profile from a 2-line Slack message. Step 5, and this is the node that changes everything. Scoring. You pass the enriched profile plus the job description into an LM node with a rubric. Not vibes, a rubric. Scores 0 to 100 on must-have skills, nice-to-haves, seniority match, location match. Return the score and a 2-sentence justification citing evidence. If the score is above 70, you branch right. Below 70, you branch left. Right branch, high score. Auto-create the ATS row with all enriched fields and the score. Send the candidate a warm email, address via Gmail node, saying, "Sarah, Marco referred you for our senior backend role. Would love 15 minutes this week. Here's my calendar." Post in the hiring manager's private Slack. New referral. Score 84. Candidate contacted. Calendar link sent. Left branch, low score. Polite hold email to the candidate. DM to the referrer. "Hey, thanks for sending Sarah. She's a strong profile, but the role needs 5 years of Go specifically, and she's coming from Python. We'll keep her warm for future roles." That message is the entire secret to why referrals keep coming. Because right now, 90% of the reason your team stopped referring is they sent 3 people and heard nothing back. They assumed you didn't care. Now they get a thoughtful reply in under a minute, every time. Step 6. The referrer loop. Every referral gets logged against the referrer's user ID in a simple Airtable table. Date, candidate, outcome, bonus status. Once a month, an 8N cron sends each referrer a summary. If you want the full N8N workflow JSON, the Slack app manifest, and the scoring rubric I use with clients, they're on BizflowAI.io along with the other automations we ship. Real referral engines, real ATS integrations, real numbers. Hit subscribe and ring the bell, because the next build is the interview scheduling agent that pairs with this one. And if you've got a hiring workflow you want built for you, book a free 30-minute discovery call at BizflowAI.io.